Hey Eric, how are you? Rick Mills with Execution Digital Marketing. I talked to you this morning, and like I said, I wanted to shoot you this quick video about your online presence and how I could help bring you more customers. So first and foremost, unless I couldn't find it, I don't think you have a website. So would love to help you with that. We do full website designs. I work with a lot of tree companies, so we definitely know what we're doing there. But what I just wanted to show you a few things. Number one, I'll kind of go through a website here just to kind of show you what we would do in terms of putting one together. So this is a competitor here. This is somebody, a tree company in Spring, Texas there in the Houston area that has a pretty nice website. You know, first and foremost, we would get you set up with a beautiful website to make sure that people know that you're a professional and they can see what services that you do, and we put photos and everything else to make it look great and give you a lot of trust with customers there in Houston that need tree work done. The second thing I want to show you is something else that we do. Is called the Google Map Pack. Okay, so this right here is a buyer intent keyword. So when we talk about Google search, we look at buyer intent keywords. Buyer intent means if somebody types in tree service Spring, Texas, they probably live in Spring, Texas or around Spring, Texas, and they need tree work done, right? And so when somebody types this in, they're gonna, first and foremost, they're gonna see ads, and we do ads as well. But a lot of people will just scroll by that and they're going to see these first three businesses. This is called the Google Map Pack. Okay, so these first three businesses are getting tons of customers because they're showing up in this top three. Okay, and the way we do this is we get you signed up for what are called citations. And I'll say all a citation is your name, address, and phone number the way it's listed in Google. And so that allows the Google bots, the robots that scroll and give your business authority on Google. When somebody types in tree service Spring, Texas, you're going to show up in this top three map pack listing. Okay, so we do this for a lot of clients, and there's a lot of customers that will come to you because of this. Okay, and then next, the next thing people are going to do when they're doing their research and trying to find somebody to come out and help them with their trees is they're going to scroll down and see who are the local businesses that are on this first page of Google when somebody types in tree service Spring, Texas. Okay, and so we don't count the Yelp top 10 tree services. That's not a local business. They're going to look at somebody like Texas Tree Elite here, who's in the fourth spot on this first page, right? And so I'll show you something real quick, just so you can get a picture. This is a software where I can put in Texas Tree Elite website URL, and we can find out how their company's doing. And so what I'll show you real quick is these are the words that they're ranking for in Google. So when they type in, there it is, tree service Spring, Texas. This is something that they do, they rank for really well. So when somebody types in tree service Spring, Texas, I'll help you read this so you can understand it a little bit. There's 150 searches per month for tree service Spring, Texas. Okay, and out of that, you see this number 10. They're getting 10 new customers per month because they're ranking on the first page of Google for tree service Spring, Texas. So those are just a few things that I definitely think I could help you with and bring you a lot more customers. Like I said, I'd love to be able to have a conversation and answer any questions for you. But I hope you get something out of this video, and I look forward to talking to you. Thanks, Eric.